really regret not discovering this walkie-talkie earlier. It is even smaller than a mouse. It can get rid of the problem of being too big and easy to drop on the ground. This solves the problem of being difficult to carry and frequently changing walkie-talkies. And this walkie-talkie has no distance limit up to 6,000 kilometers. Next, I will show you the details of the body.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day.